Blackjack.
Okay guys, here's the Chicago Electric welder, wire welder. I got the wire all straightened out. I got this thing back in temporary. This piece I can get pushed in here as far as I could, and I got the spool tightened up. I'm just gonna loosen that a little bit here, not much at all. I got it running. Let's see how it does. It's running, guys, so let's see if we can weld something. I'm just gonna set this up over here, guys, and check it out. Let's get you a little closer. On. Hey, not too bad, guys. Not too bad. I mean, not too bad. It's not too bad of a weld, guys. It's freaking working though. Huh? Yeah, it is kind of, well, I'd have to hit all that stuff off it. I'd have to bang all that stuff off it and see how it does. I know it's probably hot. There it is. There's a little bead. Doesn't look like it's that hot, guys, or it wants to burn into the metal. Let's take a look at the metal itself. Shut this off. Let me turn it back on, guys. I had it on minimum. I'm gonna slow it down. We're gonna put it on max. Okay, I'm gonna slow it down. We're gonna put it on max and see how this weld comes out. Oh. Wow. Gonna have to turn this up to 6. See what happens. It's way too fast. Slow it down to 3. I don't want to breathe the smoke. I don't have a respirator. Plus I got a lot of leaves laying around here and wood, so I don't want to go too crazy, guys. So let's take a look. I'll bring that a little closer. Oh, that's kind of nice. That's warm on this end. It's probably hot on this end too. Oh yeah. Okay, guys. So I can't believe this thing freaking works. I got it in the woods, guys. But you can see how thick that bead is. Hold on, let me get you in there. See how thick that bead is? That's what I don't understand. It should be burning right. This here, let me get it back. I'm trying to get this to focus. It should be burning right through this tin. It's just not focusing, guys. There we go. That should be burning right through the tin. See how thick? I guess it did kind of burn through it. But you know, this should be laid out flatter. This should be laying much flatter, not so thick. Okay, whoa. Okay guys, let's see if it turns on. So far so good. We got the spools a little messed up. Let's see if it turns on. Hear the fan kicking on. Awesome. Let's turn it off first. Okay guys, I straightened this out best I could. I think there's something that should be on top, maybe, I don't know. But we have to use that for now. There was a washer, which I have. There's another washer. It's the welding wire. And this goes here. Okay. That goes here. I mean, everything is here. Got that in. Okay, so we got power. I mean, it looks pretty good, guys. You know. An old piece of metal here, guys. Hold on. Old piece of metal. Let's see if it'll do anything. Oh. I think this cord needs to be fully extended. Okay. So it works. It's working, guys. Let's turn up the speed a little bit. We'll go to about 7.5. Let's put it on high heat. Oh, it's on max. Okay. Wow, look at that, guys. It's a little nugget right there.